What is the reasoning for having the BAS contractor perform the FPT by themselves? Isn't the purpose of the FPT to verify results as the CxA? Can we trust that they performed the test properly and accurately without spot checking them?
Okay, so this is important to clarify. The BAS contractor is not supposed to execute the test scripts on their own without the commissioning agent entirely. The intent is for them to perform a functional performance test in advance of the commissioning agent conducting the testing with them in the field. And the reasoning is similar to why we have pre-functional checklists to basically to ensure readiness. So if they run through the test procedure without us, validate that everything is functional, clear up any issues on their end, that should make the actual functional testing exercise with the commissioning agent in attendance go much more smoothly